All right, so today we're going to be taking a look at the Govee Smart Table Lamp 2. Now, I got this from Govee, and I got to say, this is amazing. Now, not only are you able to control it from the device itself, but we've got the mobile app set up and ready to go with so many different lighting effects. We've got scenes that we could set up. We could set it up to music. This thing is awesome. Let me give you a quick demo and an inside look. All right, so let's go ahead and take an inside look at this Govee Smart Table Lamp 2. And it's got a really cool design down here on the bottom. Got some buttons right here on the top that you are actually able to go through different types of settings, scenes, and different modes. And if you just want it just as a regular lamp, you could go through different lighting as well. And if you want, you can hit plus or minus to get what you need. Or you could simply just download the mobile app, and everything that you need to get started is right here. If you want to go to just a specific color, you're able to do that as well. Or if you want to go to specific scenes, like let's go over here to natural and you want it like kind of like a sunrise, you're able to do that. Or if you want to do rainbow, let's see, snowflake. Literally there's so many different options. And then we could do kind of a white light. We could sit here all day and do this. And I love this one where we could actually do Christmas, Valentine's Day, Halloween, candy cane, Easter egg. There's so many different things. And then if we go over here to illumination, you can actually go through different settings if you just want to have just a really nice kind of a table lamp. And then if you want to, you could just kind of decrease the brightness by doing that. And then we could go to music and look at all this. We have 8 different music modes. If we want to do something like energetic, and as you can see, it's reacting to my voice, to music, however you have it set up. We could do light waves, which is something like that. We could do dandelion, which that is so cool. I've actually never seen that. Look at that. That is so amazing. See, learning something new. And then these are different designs that go by music. If you want to do it like that, this is meteor shower. Look at that. And then DIY is where if you want to do kind of your own designs, you can also do kind of, where you could draw things, and then you could do AI. This right now is my favorite light that we have in our house. Use it all the time. In fact, I'm actually going to go ahead and buy a second one because I love it so much. And as you can see, we were able to take an inside look at this Govee Smart Table Lamp 2. It is so amazing. Now all we got to do is go ahead and pick it up and you can experience it for yourself. So go ahead and take advantage of this because it is awesome, so much fun, and you're going to love it.